Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete iCloud storage on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, locate and click on your name or your Apple account name. Now once you click on that, hang on and then go ahead and tap iCloud. Then for you to be able to delete or manage your iCloud storage, all you need to do is come to where you say save to iCloud and then click on see all. Now you should see what to save to your iCloud. Now to delete or remove the iCloud storage, all you need to do is go ahead and select whatever you save to iCloud. And then if you have use on this iPhone turned on, go ahead and disable use on this iPhone. So you want to disable this and then click on disable and download whatever data you have here. And this is going to be disabled. Now underneath it, you can just come to where you see manage storage, click on it. Then to delete the storage on your iCloud, just come and click on turn off and delete from iCloud. Then click on delete messages. Once you click on delete messages, this is going to delete your messages from your iCloud. And again, you want to come to iCloud photos, click on manage storage and then delete the storage. So check through all other information you want to delete from the iCloud storage and then delete them. So that's exactly how to delete iCloud storage on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.